If you want to add Google Chrome to your desktop on Windows, I'll show you the quickest way to create a shortcut in just a few clicks. This is super helpful if Chrome is hidden in your Start menu and you want one-tap access right from your desktop. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Once the menu opens, type Google Chrome into the search bar. You should see the Chrome app appear in the results. Now right-click on Chrome to open the Additional Options menu. From there, click Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where the Chrome shortcut is stored on your computer. Once that folder opens, right-click Chrome again. This time, move your mouse to Send To, and then click Desktop to create shortcut. In some versions of Windows, it may show as Desktop Create Shortcut, and that is the option you want. As soon as you click it, Windows will place a Chrome icon directly on your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Chrome to your desktop, making it much faster to launch whenever you need it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.